Okay, with soil temperatures approaching 50 degrees here, I'm at 47.8. It's about time to get that pre-emergent down. So what I'm gonna do is show you what I'm gonna use and what I've used in the past, and what works for me and my own personal program, and tell you why I like it and put it out. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is the product I choose to use this year for my pre-emergent. I've used this for the last couple years since I've moved into the house actually, and I found that it works really well for me. I get this from my local farm co-op, and it's not a bad price. The main reason I like it is because for me it's a 2-in-1 type of product, and I've seen success with it. So let me show you why I like it. So I like this product for a couple reasons. First, you get your pre-emergent, you get your Prodiamine, and there's a decent amount in there, and that's going to control the crabgrass and other weeds that we don't want. And then at the same time, I'm getting a starter fertilizer out of this, a 23-3-8, and that's going to give the grass a little wake-up call and give it a good push to start growing. So with that, I'll go ahead and pour this into my spreader and get it in the grass and water it in.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
One thing you want to be aware of when you're spreading your fertilizer is the back part of your spreader and the wheels. Make sure they don't get caught on anything. For me, mine got caught on this drain here, and it caused the spreader to tip forward and dump out a bunch of fertilizer right here. So what I need to do is I need to take my leaf blower and blow this stuff out and clear it the best I can, and that way I won't have to worry about anything burning here. This is a synthetic fertilizer. It will burn the grass if it's clumped like this and not watered in properly. And so I'm gonna make sure I clear this out, and then we can water everything in. Okay, really nice to have that done now. I really like that blend. I like it because, one, it's local, and it's a blend that's formulated for this area. And I'm getting my Prodiamine for my crabgrass control, and I'm getting extra macronutrients for a starter fertilizer and a little bit extra. Let me show you again what's on the bag and what I'm getting out of this product and why I like it. So just to recap here, I am getting a 2338 analysis here, and that's what I'm using as my starter fertilizer. The active ingredient here is Prodiamine for my crabgrass control, so I really like that. And I'm also getting 1% iron here, which is nice. That's going to give me a little bit of a green pop. And then I'm getting sulfur as well, so I like that too. This here is a 50-pound bag, and this bag here they say covers 10,000 square feet. So I like this. I buy this, and then I buy a smaller bag that they have too that covers 5,000 square feet. Same thing, smaller bag, 5,000 square feet. And so as you can see, I do have some left over in here because I have 12,000 square feet of grass, and for 15,000 feet, I'm gonna have a little bit left over. Okay, so I hope that's helpful for you. Again, you wanna make sure that you get your crabgrass preventative and pre-emergent down before your soil temperatures hit 55 degrees, because that's when germination is gonna start taking place. You can use Prodiamine like what I'm using here. There's also another product that contains dithiophyr. You can look for that too. You don't even have to go granular like what I'm going right now. You can get these in liquid form as well and apply them that way and get a liquid application. And some even say that you even get a more consistent application with the liquids as opposed to the granular. But for me, I like the granular. It works really well. I've had success with it. And I like the results that I get from that product. So if there's a similar product in your area, great, go for it. If not, definitely find something with Prodiamine or dithiophyr, and you'll be in good shape. So with that, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. And again, thanks for watching my videos, and we'll see you in the next one.